This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are my own.
All right, it arrives in a box just like this, all packaged together very nicely. You get a set of instructions, your casters, your screws, everything you need to put it together except maybe the tools. All right, so I just got it built. I basically just ended up using the picture on the box to build it because one of the cool things about this is all the screws are the same exact size. So really all you need to build this, a Phillips head screwdriver, and I decided to use a drill, something to cut the straps on there and cable ties. You'll need this little wrench right here to tighten down the wheels when you put them on. They just screw on. And if you want, they also give you feet that you can use in place of the wheels. I've decided to go with the wheels. There's 4 wheels, 2 of them are locking. I decided to put the locking wheels in the front because it's easier if I'm moving it around. Overall, the construction's really sturdy, way more sturdy than I thought. Not like I'm gonna get up and start riding around on this thing, but it's a sturdy construction and I'm just gonna have no problem holding 3 bags on it. Just for reference, it's about 52 inches this way, 16 inches deep, maybe 17 inches. It can clearly fit 3 bags in here, no problem at all. One of the things I wish they would have designed on this was some kind of divider, maybe for each bag. So it's got 4 hooks on here, and each of these hooks are movable. You can put them wherever you want. You can hang your towel on there, or you can hang your club cleaning tool, whatever you want. It's kind of like a cage inside of here, and you can throw all kinds of stuff in here. Maybe your stuff you put in your pocket when you go golfing, you know, you got your balls, tees, gloves. You can stack your clothes on here, store your hats, your shoes, extra golf balls if you want. There's an indented tray right here. You can put more balls in there if you want to. You've got a couple of extra other shelves for your range finders. Obviously, it's a great rack for storing your clubs during the winter, you know, in your garage or in your basement. So you can put your winter golf clothes, your rain gear on here. You can even hang your rain gear on the hooks to let it dry off after a round. So many things you can do. It just happens to be a slot that goes down through here. One of the things you could possibly do is, you know, you can hang your brush and your towel right here and set a bucket in here. Clean your clubs off. You got the brush right here, bucket in there, sharpen your grooves, whatever, do all that stuff here. When you're done, put it back in the bag. All kinds of options. It's a nice sturdy rack. You should have no problem at all fitting 3 sets of clubs in here, assuming you're not using a gigantic Tour Pro bag. But I could definitely fit 3 of these bags in here, no problem. I can see where the slots start and end. You can store all your gear on here. You can keep all your golf stuff in one place. You know, you come home from a round, throw it all in there. It's ready for you the next time. The Mythinglogic 3 golf bag and more storage unit.